Hello, crafters. This is Suzanne from A Creative Muse, and it may be a gloomy day here in South Florida, but it is a sunshiny day for Spellbinders. Today is the official April collections release at Spellbinders. Why do I say April collections? There are 6. Count them. Not 1, not 2, 6 new collections at Spellbinders, and it's a gamut of products. There is just something for everyone. There are loads of new dies, embossing folders, loads of glimmer hot foil plates. This is the time for you to dust off that machine. If you haven't tried it or if you haven't glimmered in a while, this might be the time to definitely get back into glimmering. Also, stamps, just all sorts of crafty goodness. Let me give you just an overview. The largest collection for April is the stylish ovals. Then there's Bibi's Hummingbirds, Ooh La La. Next, everlasting shapes. Seahorse kisses. Hello, don't you love that? Seahorse kisses. Stitched numbers. How can I forget that there's new stitching dies? Come on. Loads and loads of stitching dies. And floral friendship paper suite. So there's even a paper collection, 6x6 pad with die cuts, etc. All sorts of goodies, 6 of them in total. What I will do, seeing that this is video number 1 for the new collection release for April, in the description below, I'll put Spellbinders, new release, and then I'll detail all 6 collections. Then from there, we'll go into the first one that I'm going to highlight, which is the largest one, stylish ovals. Alrighty, crafters, let's just go right into this one. Let's get started. Welcome to the Stylish Ovals collection. There are dies, hot foil plates, embossing folders, stitching dies, stamps, even a stencil. Alrighty? There are loads of products here, so pick and choose what speaks to you. First up, we have Stylish Oval, Hello You Floral Die Set. Love. This die set is reminiscent of the one in the 4-petal collection. Can't remember the name right now. I'm just too excited. But this style. Remember this one? You get the branch base, and then you put the leaves and the florals. This is another version, little larger footprint. So as you can see, the leaves are larger than this. And look at the beautiful leaves. You get the florals. You get small leaves. Before I even show you my example, must add to cart, especially if you love a good floral die that comes together super easy, super pretty. Thumbs up. And another one. Love. Here is my example. Ooh La La. So this is Hello You Floral Dies. Hello, where have you been all my life? Must add to your craft stash. See how the leaves are larger, the floral base. Can you mix and match these? Oh, most definitely. You could do this base, put those roses over here, etc. I'll put the name for this set if you didn't get it before, but winner, winner, winner. So with this one, I'm using in the background. Again, I love this embossing folder. This is the 3D embossing folder of the month for April, and it's called Patchwork. So super love. I'm just really getting into this embossing folder. I love patchwork background, but still highlighting the floral in the center. And this floral display fits perfectly within that center frame here. Love. So if you got this, add this, because these two work together like, I don't know. Rice and beans, rice and peas, I don't know, whatever. They work together fabulously. So here, I played with all Spellbinders cardstock. If you're loving these colors, let me give you a list of the cardstock. And I am so loving this blue. This is that Cosmic Sky cardstock I just hauled the other day from Spellbinders. So that's a beautiful deep blue. Then the darker green, that's Fern. This color, Rainforest. Chamomile for the light yellow. Sun-Kissed for the brighter yellow. And brushed gold cardstock. Now look at that. That is just a little section of brushed gold. I mean, like a minuscule little cutout. All of this is not a lot of cardstock. Look how pretty that is. Here, You're Pretty Amazing. Coming back to one of my favorite glimmer hot foil sets. You guys should know it by now. Making Me Smile, glimmer hot foil. I had a factory moment with this one. If you haven't gotten this one yet and you do glimmer, I tell you, she is bang for your buck. Out of one 11 by 8.5 sheet of paper, you can get 6 sets of this. Oh yeah, I measured it out. Cut it straight down the center, 4 1/4 inch. Then each panel, 3 5/8 of an inch. And you'll get 6 out of 1 sheet of paper of this. I now have it in a huge bag of hot foil goodness, sentiments, ready to go. So here I did You're Pretty Amazing, black cardstock, and the opaque white hot foil roll. I did an accent of silver mixed gems. Everything is working together to highlight this little pretty baby right here. Add her to your cart. She is good. You will not be disappointed. I did curve this, and I love that little tulip bloom too. So pretty. But this base is a great foundation for you to build Hello You floral dies. Done. Winner. Next, Infinity Punch and Pierce plate. This is a full A2 die. You've seen it before too, 4-petal collection. This version, remember the Punch and Pierce plate? Here is now Infinity Punch and Pierce. So you see the difference? This one had that, I can't remember the name of this. I'm drawing so many blanks right now. This time you're getting this whole oval frame. You're getting the oval and an inside oval. There's one cut line here, which you're seeing, and another cut line here, which you're seeing. I took out that middle piece just for color variation. Before I did like this light blue with the navy, here I did turquoise and brown. Could I have included this floral here? Oh, you bet. So this one is another add to your stash. She's a winner. Super pretty. I love the curved arch look. It looks like a capsule, but it's like a oblong shape all the way around. And then here I put one of my favorites is back in stock. If you have been waiting, this is the time to get it. Club Blooms is back. This is from January. So this is a past Kit Club item. She sold out. She is back in stock. And here she is. I did white flowers in this side sweep swag. I did the little berries in pink. So I did white cardstock, yellow glitter center, gold mixed gems here. Up here, these are just other gems from my stash. And then here's that great deep teal cardstock with that brown. The hello, that is from another favorite, past Kit Club, August 22, outline sentiments. Love. There's the hello. This was on sale the other day. I hope you guys picked that up. Outline sentiments. This one must add to your stash too. Look how pretty it is. And it's the most easiest die to work. These two, super easy to work with. But boy, look at the end result. Pretty. You could use this over here. This could be on here. And I did the hello in the yellow, picking up back that yellow. And on the inside, I have a sentiment. Thinking of you. This now is in their stamp set, one of. Fill my heart sentiment stamps. I could do may all your wishes come true on this special day. There. Happy birthday on the outside. Here is happy birthday. Get well soon. Thinking of you with sympathy. And this beautiful arch oval shape, half flower. So you could do it top and bottom to get the full oval. I stamped this first. Then I put the thinking of you right there. Here, and then you put to so-and-so from and go from there. Isn't that pretty? Without even coloring, it still looks great, right? So I put it on the inside, and you could definitely do this on the outside and cut it with the oval die. And if you're wondering, Suzanne, but how would I cut this with the oval die if all of this is going on? No need to worry. There is Essential Stylish Ovals dies. Love. Oh, super love. And I didn't count how many are here. Hold on a second. From my rough count a while ago, it's either 15 or 16 dies. This can give you the background to then stamp this top and bottom and do the same oval flip reflection if you want to do it. Come on. Are you getting excited by this? I'm telling you. Infinity Punch and Pierce plate. Gotta love it. Works super easy. Run it through your Spellbinders Platinum 6 machine. I ran it once. Did run it like twice and then it shifted on me. So I was like, okay, I'm just running it once. Everything popped out. So it works. The die itself works fabulously, okay? And that's an A2 card base. I'm going to hold Essential Stylish Ovals because my next card comes into that one. Here we go. Isn't she pretty? This now is a Glimmer Hot Foil plate with an accompanying stencil. If you want to get the stencil, I would highly recommend that if you get the Glimmer hot foil, you add the stencil to your cart, because the stencil works like super easy and makes a look at all that. Come on, this is so pretty. Stylish oval floral bird hot foil plate. And then the stencil, optional purchase, so you don't have to do it. You could do just a hot foil plate, color with your alcohol markers, whether you're using Olo markers, Copic markers, etc. Cut it out to get the shape. Essential stylish ovals. Again, are you seeing a comprehensive collection come together? Oh, yes, you are. You sure are. Could you use these florals again just within this shape? Oh, yes. Could I have taken some of this florals, clipped a piece, have this, and then have the florals coming off? Oh, you bet. Put some of this in here? Sure, why not? Options. There's a range of options. And I love the range of options, because with the range of options, that means you guys are getting bang for your buck. You can use this set and have it refreshed over and over again. And also, it's all timeless. This is an interesting shape, but it's not so trendy that it's a one and done. You can come back to this shape over and over again over the years, and it is fabulous. Scrapbookers, because of this large shape, let me give you a measurement on it real quick while I'm here yapping away. Let me give you a measurement. This one is a true A2, 5.5, 4.25. So you could use this oval shape on the outside to cut your photographs and use it in other ways. You can make a shaped card with this as well. Thumbs up. And mini album makers, you could use this too. Stylish oval floral bird. Accompanying stencil. 6 stencils. This might be Distress Oxide. I don't remember. I was having so much fun, I can't remember what I did. Hot foiled it, and I did use Satin Metallics, one of my favorite 4-pack Glimmer hot foil roll. Use the stencils, super easy to work with, as you can see. There are these little dots, and I decided to go kind of off my colorway here and go like a dark blue. And then I brought in Spellbinders Fashion Cosmic, like the Cosmic Sky cardstock. There's the pearls, and I did the pearls here, and then I tied everything in. It's like shades of blue-green, as you can see. Yeah, if you look at it, you can see the progression of shades of blue into blue-green, having fun. Could this all be pinks and yellows and something else? Oh, definitely. I used the stylish ovals, created a frame, put 1/8 of an inch foam tape. I like to use the scrapbook.com 1/8 of an inch foam tape around here. So I could have turned it into a shaker if I put an acetate, but I wanted to have like a frame and the bird recessed, and then on the back, again, the embossing folder of the month. So the first one you saw was the 3D embossing folder. This now is the 2D embossing folder. Seamless floral background. So love. Remember, these embossing folders, if you do the embossing folder of the month, you don't want to do any other club. This is $9, free shipping for the embossing folder of the month. 3D embossing folder, $15, free shipping. You could do these two and just have fun. They're both oversized embossing folders. 3D embossing folder, you're going to use the universal plate system. But that's the 3D. This is the 2D. Uber pretty. So pretty. Completely different embossing folders. I think they're both winners. Yeah. Even if I wasn't sent it to play with, oh, I would have definitely bought both of them, because they're just... Look how delicate it is in the background. And then I have this oblong frame with the bird in here. And then down here, I put the sentiment, sending health and happiness, glimmered in cobalt hot foil roll. So there's that beautiful blue hot foil roll, again coming back into making me smile, glimmer hot foil plate. Tell you, if you get to do 6 out of 1 sheet of paper, and I'm using Hammer Mill cardstock, and you know that cardstock is not cheap, so I'm maximizing this one. You get so many great sentiments. This one just fabulous. And then on the inside, so sending you health and happiness, lifting you up in prayer, and hoping you have a better today. That now comes into the next collection. This will be in the other video. This is Hummingbird Sentiments. So this is from Bibi's Hummingbirds collection. Beautiful right there. Just stamped it. Didn't even heat emboss. Look at that. Love, love. So that's the stencil. Isn't the stencil fabulous? All right, moving on. Also in this release, there is stylish oval birthday wishes stamps. No coordinating dies, but you could use these fabulous sentiments. You see birthday already, sending you birthday wishes, wishing you the best day, hello. Thank you so very much, thinking of you. Outside or inside of a card. Fabulous. You get these little florals, and then you get this oblong shape that you could then stamp and cut with your stylish ovals. Why I keep calling it oblong? I guess because it looks like an oblong, but it's oval. But it's not the standard oval. It's more like an oblong oval. You could color this up or just heat emboss and then stamp here in the center. Yeah, love, 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 love. So there's 2 stamp sets, and these can work together. Mix and match and have fun. There's also a stitching die. Have not had a chance to fully play with this. I started to. Stitched floral flip frame. Look at that. Isn't that pretty? I did gold leaves here. This is Spellbinders brush gold cardstock. You could choose to stitch or not. I have all my little flowers are ready to go. So I could just glue it straight on like so, or stitch it. I plan on stitching, okay? So this is the colorway I'm looking at, like a red and pink colorway. Isn't that pretty? Look how pretty that is. Oh, so loved. Stitched floral flip. For those of you that love stitching on paper, another winner right here. Next, 2 glimmer hot foil plates. We have Fluttering By, and this one is beautiful butterflies. You can glimmer it and then cut out with a large, medium, small, extra small coordinating die and then layer there, or keep this as one solid panel. This one is 5 3/4 of an inch by 3.5. Super duper cute. Fluttering By. Next, we also have stylish oval thanks hot foil plate. So this now gives you that oval capsule shape. You get a thanks in here. The thanks I did glimmer. I was in like super factory mode. I glimmered for a couple hours. My thanks. All different ways. Ready to go. I love to use the opaque black and white hot foil roll. This is the Satin Metallics, that 4-pack, I can tell. Let me show you one of the ovals here that I did in the Satin Metallic. You see it? Getting ready to go. And then you could put this right here, then cut it out with the Essential Stylish Ovals. Super duper cute. And there's a coordinating die to cut this out. Isn't that cute? Just something different and play. So this is another card that's coming. This is all on Hammermill white cardstock and the black cardstock, which is shedding. This is Diane Revley's journal cardstock. It takes the hot foil very well. So I'm been using that. I'll link everything that I'm talking about below. Even those 2 papers I just talked about, I'll link below. And lastly, there is a 3D embossing folder in this Stylish Ovals collection. Beautiful Butterflies 3D embossing folder. Super duper pretty embossing folder. Going to use some brush gold cardstock. There, now you can see it, right? Isn't that pretty? So this one is different from all of the other Spellbinders embossing folders because this one has the beautiful butterflies, because we really haven't had a butterfly embossing folder. Loving this. Expect to see a card from me. It has butterflies, the blooms. That is it for the Stylish Ovals collection. Will you be seeing more cards from me? Definitely. Will they be arranged? Because I'll bring these back in just to show you the range of what I'm going to create. I was on a blue, teal, turquoise thing here. I will change up the colorway. I already started with this. So we'll see what I make. And alrighty, crafters. Until the next video, which will be shortly. Next, we're going to go into the Hummingbirds, Bibi's Hummingbirds. Can you say 2 thumbs up for super pretty? Oh, yes. Alrighty, crafters. Stay crafty, my friends. Bye.